to create your own custom filters in the Camera app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make a personalized filter using your own photos. First, open the Camera app on your Android device. After that, tap on More at the bottom to see additional camera modes. From there, swipe across and tap on the Filter option. At this point, tap the Add button to start creating your own custom filter. In the next step, select a photo from your gallery that has the color tone you want to use as your filter. Following this, tap on Create to generate the filter from that photo. Once done, you'll see an adjustment handle on screen. Drag it to fine-tune your reference area and then tap Done. From here, your custom filter will now appear alongside the original in the filter selection. At this stage, tap on your custom filter to apply it, and you can also tap on it again to adjust settings like color temperature, contrast, saturation, and grain. Following that, you can also drag the strength slider to control how intense the filter looks on your photos. Finally, tap the back button and your filter will be set. Go ahead and take your photo with it applied. Keep in mind, once you're done, make sure to go back into the filter settings and switch it back to original. Otherwise, your camera may stay stuck on that filter. Glad this helped. If it did, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.